how you can log in into your booking.com account. Now this is really simple, so before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, make sure that you've installed your booking.com account, booking.com's app. You can download it from App Store or Play Store. Now after installing it, just open it up. Now after you open it up, there is different options. Just there you can see you can sign in easily using your Google account. You can continue with your Apple account. You can continue with Facebook. You can use your WeChat. You can use your email. But I'll just cross this for now and show you guys how to do it from the initial startup page. Now there you can see different booking.com's initial page. Now just go to the sign in option on the bottom right. Now there you will see sign in button, tap on it, and again you will see the same sign in options. Now what you need to do is, for your convenience, you can just use your Google account or your Apple account or your Facebook or your WeChat, and you won't have to go through the lengthy sign up process. So just continue with your email. Just type in your email right here, and after you type in your email, all you have to do is just type in your password and hit and continue again, and you'll be logged in into your booking.com's account. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.